Hi, this video will teach you how you can disable auto update installation in Windows 11. It's simple. For that, you have to go and open the run window on your Windows 11 computer. You can use the Windows plus R key for that. And now just type services.msc and click on OK. Now you'll get the services page. Now from here, just go down and search for Windows update services. Just click on any service and just type W. From here it will take to the listing, and from here just go down, and now you can see that this is Windows update service. So right click on that and take the properties. Now from here, now just go to the general. You are right now in the general tab. Now what you have to do is just disable the startup type. That's it. And click on apply and just click on OK. Now close down the services window and then you can restart your computer for the changes to take the effect. That's it. After following this process, the automatic update installed on your Windows 11 will be stopped. You can follow the same process and change the status from disabled to enable in the step 4 to undo the changes. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe, like and share. Thank you.